Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Trishina. If you're new here, welcome. On my channel, I do home decor and lifestyle content. If you're into that kind of vibe, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and also turn on your post notification bells so that you can be notified each and every time I upload. In today's video, I'm doing a spring clean and also decorate with me. I'll be refreshing my living room, like cleaning the couch. Most importantly, I'll be vacuuming and then putting all the decorations back to give the space a clean, refreshed look for the new season and also for the new year. So please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, like this video and also comment. The first thing I did was to clear off the couch and also surrounding area. I like to remove all the throw pillows like blankets and decor so I can really clean everything properly. This also helps me to see the space with, like a fresh eyes. Sometimes just clearing the things away reminds you how much you actually have and what you may not need anymore. But whenever I clean or I try to refresh my space, I like to take down all the decors or most of it, clear out the couch and everything so that I can see what to clean. So moving forward, as you can see, I'm cleaning the couch, which is one of the most used pieces in my living room. So I always make sure that it's clean, especially having kids, and it's a light couch. So that's the reason why I get this cleaner to actually clean it whenever it's getting dirty to my liking. So I'm vacuuming the cushion, as you can see, getting into the corners and removing any dust, crumbs and stuff like that, mainly stains. Me cleaning the couch make a big difference. A clean couch instantly make the whole room feel cleaner even before decorating. So I always try my best to start off with a clean slate. After vacuuming, I always like to odorize my couch. This step is optional, but for me, it makes such a big difference. So what I usually do is take a little bit of Downy, add it to warm water, and mix it until it's fully dissolves. Then I take a clean cloth, dipped it into the mixture, wring it out very well, and gently wipe down the couch. I'm not soaking the fabric, just lightly refreshing it. This helps the couch smell clean, fresh, without leaving any residue. I love this method because it's simply like affordable and it leaves the living room smelling amazing. It's one of my favorite little cleaning acts. And this is how the couch looks after it's clean and odorized, which is fresh, soft, and ready to be styled. So let's get straight into decorating, which is the exciting part. I like to keep my decor light and simple. I'm focusing on like neutral tones and a few statement pieces that makes the space feel cozy and not cluttered. As I place each item back, I'm being more intentional. If something no longer fits the vibe or feel too heavy for especially spring right now, I either remove it or switch it out. But with this one, I'm just going to place everything back. This is also a great time to like rearrange decor. Even using the same pieces in a different way can make the space feel brand new. Okay, so here I'm just adding my regular decor pillows. I love these pillows so much, so that's why I always use them. And I just feel like, you know, it elevates the space. So here I'm just chopping in the pillows, and as you know, to give it this chop look, you have to put the feather insert pillows inside. So here I'm just adding this throw blanket. Normally I'll add another one over the other side, but for now I'm just gonna add only one today. And here I'm just fixing, I just like to see the blanket in the center of the couch, so I'm just here rearranging it. No, but for me, I just love to add a throw blanket. I just feel like it gives the space a cozy feel. Next, I am vacuuming the entire living room. I make sure to go over the rugs around the couch and also into all the corners. I love vacuuming after decluttering because it feels like a clean slate, okay? It's one of those steps that really brings everything together and makes the space feel refreshed. At this point, the room is already feeling lighter and more open. I must say, this is one of my favorite vacuum. Like, it's so smooth. Like, I love it so much. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. If you're interested, you can also purchase, but it's a great vacuum. And this is how everything turned out. The living room is feeling clean, refreshed, and so much lighter. Cleaning the couch, like vacuuming and adding that fresh scent, really made a huge difference. The space just feels more inviting and comfortable now. I love our simple, like, spring clean can completely transform a room without buying anything new. It's all about refreshing what you already have and creating a space that feels good to be in. This is definitely the kind of reset I needed, and I'm so happy with how everything came together. If you're thinking about refreshing your space, I hope this video gives you the motivation to start one small step at a time. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.